Do you know that you can make thousands of dollars online monthly by testing people app? Yes, by testing people app. So welcome back to our channel, guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because on this channel we discuss about various ways on how to earn money online, so you don't want to miss out on our next job, guys. So like I said, guys, test job let you earn online by testing people's app. So now let us explore the website together. So as you can see here, says gain view user insights designed to accelerate growth. You see here, this crowd testing, you can now take your digital product to the next level with real user insight from our global community of testers. So from a quick usability check to full testing management, Testbirds help you deliver experience loved by your customer. So like I said, guys, what you just need to do is you will join Testbirds community. So by joining Testbirds community, that means you will have access to able to review people's website and all, and then you give your feedback on it, guys. So that is how it works. So now let's go down. As you can see here, it says understand your customer, integrate the real user into your development process, and get real actionable insight anytime, anywhere. So it is this insight that will let you earn, which means you will give people insight, guys. So that's just how it works, guys. You can see here, drive conversion, optimize your customer experience, and increase your conversion rate. And here says the last one here says increase revenue, streamline your testing to reduce time to market and accelerate growth, guys. So like I said, guys, everything is just about testing app and all. So now let's go to this section right here. So as you can see here, what you are interested in, get paid to test. You can see here, test as a client, open job position, contact us. So what you just want to click on is get paid to test. So when you click on get paid to test, guys, so let's wait for it to load. So you will see the option that will tell you about how to earn on Testbirds. So as you can see here, here says earn money in your spare time, become part of crowd and get the chance to test a wide variety of software products even before their release. Prior knowledge isn't necessary. As a testbed, your feedback helps improve the functionality and usability of applications and websites for users like yourself. So as you can see here, it says before their release, which tells you that like before all these companies release their website or anything, guys, they literally pay people to help them to test it, the features and everything, to see if it's working perfectly, so you can literally earn, guys. So as you can see here, not a member, let's fix that. So what you just need to do is input your first name, last name, username, email, and your password. Then your location, guys, location is very important too. Like if you are from United States, UK, all these first world country, guys, you will earn way more than if you are in this third world country. So that's just how it works. You see date of birth and everything, then you click on accept, then you click on let me in, and that's just all, guys. Then they'll review your details, guys, and if you are qualified, you will definitely get accepted, guys. So that will be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.